draw blood first from the patient. Before we start the surgery, we can set it aside for about 3 to 4 hours without any problem. And we spin it in the centrifuge for 12 minutes, 2700 RPM. At that time, my dental assistant is cleaning the teeth, taking all the calculus out. Then we grind it in the machine for 3 seconds. And we have our graft material ready. We apply a special solution that disinfects and sterilizes the material. And then apply another solution to bring back the normal pH. And we are ready now to take our fibrin, create the membranes, and do the sticky dentin block. So once we have all those membranes ready, we will take 1 or 2 membranes, cut it into small pieces, and mix it with our dentin substance. So here are the membranes. Cut it into small pieces. Mix it with the dentin, the liquid of the PRF, and in about 20 seconds we will have what we call the PRF dentin block. And that, of course, can be utilized to regenerate all kinds of defects that you have. So going back, that is what we call green dentistry. And when I was first introduced to it, it was first developed by Professor Binderman in Tel Aviv. I asked him, are you kidding me? How come nobody has ever thought about it before? But since then, we are using it on a daily basis. This is the PRF dentin block. That's how it looks like. Under electron microscopy, you can see the rich network of the fibrils together with the dentin particles. And in histology, that's how it looks like. Very close intimacy between the dentin and the newly formed bones. So actually here you can see the dentin on the left and new bone formation on the right, and you can see here the transitional line without any presence of inflammatory cells. So going back to our patient, we place the implants. You can appreciate the big intra-bony defects all around. We will, of course, graft it now with PRF dentin blocks, cover everything with the PRF membranes, and here we immediately loaded on 7 implants. Now comes the time, after 5 months, for a post-op CBCT, verifying the presence of the bone where we didn't have to begin with. We take impressions. We decided to do a screw retain in the lower and cement it in the upper. We checked the metal frameworks, porcelain fused to metal. That's what we were doing at that particular time. And you can see the post-op with the restoration, with regeneration of the bone. And actually, those pictures were taken 10 years post-op. So it's a long-term treatment modality.